So this is the York University Scholarships and Awards for International Students. This is for fall 2025 and winter 2026. Application for fall 2025 has ended, but it's still open for winter 2026, fall 2026, and winter 2027. These scholarships are called the International Entrance Scholarships. You are not applying separately for it. Your application for admission already covers you for these scholarships. The first one is York International Scholarship of Distinction. You will need a final admission average of 85% or equivalent. This final admission average is after they have reviewed your application documents. They will give you marks or scores based on what you have submitted, and then they will add it up. And if your admission document equals to this final admission average, which is 85%, this scholarship is particularly for undergraduate students, all right? So in your first year, you're receiving $15,000. Then in subsequent years, 2, 3, and 4, you're receiving $7,500. Total maximum of $37,500. No application is necessary. It's renewable and regainable. All right. The second scholarship is the York International Merit Award. You need a final admission average of 80 to 84.9%. In your year 1, you're receiving $10,000. In your years 2, 3, and 4, you're receiving $5,000 with a total maximum of $25,000. No application is necessary, and it's renewable and regainable. The next one is the York International Entrance Award. You will need a final admission average of 75 to 79.9%, and you're receiving $5,000, a one-time only payment, all right? No application is necessary. Then for international transfer students, so if you're a transfer student entering York University with this transfer credits, 24 plus transfer credits, with a 75% admission average or equivalent, you are receiving $2,500, a one-time only payment, and no application is necessary. So after they review your application, they will look at your application documents, give you marks in percentages based on what you submitted. So for this, you will need to submit a very strong application. For the fall 2026 and winter 2027 scholarships, no application is required. Your application for admission covers you. The first entrance scholarship is the York International Scholarship of Distinction. The final admission average is 90%. In your year 1, you're receiving $15,000. The only difference is the final admission average in this case, right? The scholarship amount is still the same thing, and no application is necessary. Okay, so they have the York International Scholarship of Distinction with a final admission average of 90%. They have the York International Merit Award with a final admission average of 80 to 89.9%. They have the York International Entrance Award with a final admission average of 75 to 79.9%. And the York International Transfer Award with a final admission average of 75%. No application is necessary, all right? The deadline to apply is on the 26th of February 2026. There's still enough time for you to gather your documents and submit your application. The documents to apply are your senior school certificates and transcripts.